What's up guys, I'm Tyler. I'm the YouTube manager here at 4Runner Lifestyle, and today we're gonna be taking you on a full tour of our warehouse here in Orem, Utah. And we're kind of gonna be showing you everything that goes into shipping an order, our processes, and kind of doing some interviews to see what's up. As you can see behind me, we've got some of my coworkers' cars here. They park outside with their rigs, so if you ever come in, feel free to take a look at their rigs. Most of the stuff that they have on their cars, we sell here. So if you see anything you like on their builds, we probably have it in our warehouse. One of my favorite builds here is Dawson's first gen Tacoma. I know this isn't a 4Runner, but it is just so clean, and I always have to spotlight it whenever I see it. And here we've got Cooper's 5th gen. You may have seen this in a recent video where he drove the 6th gen for the first time. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click down below. We will link you straight to that. And then we've got Nate's 5th gen here. His is an early 5th gen. This thing has almost 300,000 miles on it. Pretty insane. And then we've got the new guy's 4th gen, Mr. Carson Olmsted himself. He is a pretty dang good photographer. We will link his profile down in the description as well, so you can see some of his work and the gnarly places he has taken this thing. We've got many more 4Runners down here and many more Tacomas all over, but let's show you what you're here for and head on inside. So as you walk in here, first you'll see this little desk where someone will be waiting to help you find the right products for your 4Runner. We've also usually got waters behind here when there aren't packages back here. Got our little game console, and we've got our ski lift chair. And coming over here, we've got kind of our shelves of products for you to look at while you wait, so you can just pick it up right off the bat. Coming over here, we've got kind of our shirt and hat rack, which we will get to in just a second. We've got our waiting area, our Nomad wheel and GoPro product stands, as well as some Black Rhino wheel stands. Show those off. Got our Alpha Rex headlights and taillights shown off right there and some YouTube videos playing. We do have some patches down there and stickers. Feel free to take any of those. Going over here to our merch. We've got Tacoma and Tundra over here, and then 4Runner shirts and hoodies over here. These are our new shirts. We actually have quite a few colors. We've got the blue, the green, the kind of orangish brick color, the brown, and then the gray. And then all of our previous shirts are also over here as well. And then all of our hats as well. Going from our 4Runner Lifestyle merch here, if we do come in here, this is our customer service team, hard at work. And this is Dawson, our customer service manager. What's up, Dawson? How we doing?
Good.
Good day so far?
Not too bad. Just replying to some text messages.
Replying to text messages and drinking Monster, it looks like.
A little bit, yeah.
Just a little bit. We might be having a competition or two going on. And then if we head back out here, we can go down this hallway over here. And as you come down this hallway, we've got Nate's office here. Nate is our inventory manager, hard at work.
What's up, guys?
I thought he was, but all right. Then we've got J-Mac. You probably recognize him from the videos. He's our product manager.
Everybody.
Then headed out of Nate's office here, we've got our little break area. And then walking into here, we've got Landon's office. Landon does a lot of our product upload and website work. What up, Landon?
What up?
And we've got Fareed's desk, but he is out right now. Heading down through here, we've got our break area. And then this is where the magic happens. Here we've got Coop. Coop is our warehouse manager. How you doing, Coop?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good, man.
You want to show us around?
Welcome to the
Just a little tour.
We try to organize everything here by company. Anything that can be bunched into one piece. Here's our receiving zone. Kind of a mess right now. We have a lot of stuff coming in and out of the door as of Labor Day coming up, and all of our summer supplies as well. Right here we have some of our 3D printed things, like we have our cup holders that we print. We also have just a bunch of like our aluminum grab handles right here, just small stuff that sells a lot. It's easy to pick. This is where we pick and pack all of the orders. We take a cart over here. They drag that around the warehouse or just put items into it as well. Then they bring them on the tables, pick and pack them. Right here we have a bin. This bin on average fits around 250 orders. So there's that one, there's another one over there as well. So roughly 500. I can get you an exact number in a minute. Some things I just need to process. Let's see here, show you down here. Here's some of our boxes. We've got our R1 brakes and rotors right there. We have all of our stickers and patches. There's 4Runner, there's Tacoma. This aisle is all a lot of our like in-house items, like our wiper blades, our third brake lights. things like that. Here we have diode. This whole bay is diode. We're actually gonna extend it one more. We're gonna shift some stuff around. A lot of that aisle's like our Fang lights, our Molly panel bags, just a lot of house stuff again. Down here, this is where we pack all of our bigger items. So you can see we have the squares on the floor. That's where the pickers, they'll bring it. That's one order. Each square is one order. We pick and pack 4 at a time. Makes it super easy. C4, we got this aisle. We have our Baja Designs, some more diode like fog and ditch light, and along with Rome and Rago and things like that. It's a pretty mixed style.
So we don't do a lot of drop shipping or any at all, do we?
We try to avoid it. If we
try
sell
to
a lot
avoid
of it, we bring it in house, and that's what we sell it. It's shipped quicker. We get to know the product as employees and as a manager as well, to organize it all and put it into one and ship it out the door, hopefully same day. So
sweet, very nice, good to know.
This whole aisle again is more in-house items. You can see we're working on stuff down there, just organizing. We just redid a lot of it. So for example, we got like our interior Molly panels for a 4Runner. Here we have our valence for a 4Runner. We got some of our dog seat covers. This is universal between all cars. Those are super nice. Front runner, we have Luno, Cali race panels. These are our 4Runner Velcro mats for the back cargo area. That's what we call a Joey. That lifts us up and down so we can overstock all of our stuff everywhere. It makes it super easy. This back corner is roof racks. All the heavy stuff, all the stuff that's hard to get to but close to the packing station, so we don't have to carry it all around the warehouse. Over here we have Prinsu, we have Prinsu Pros, standard Prinsus, 4th gen Prinsus, Tacoma Prinsus, like we have them all. Same thing with Sherpa over here. We need to stock some. We have a pallet we haven't stocked yet. Back here, this is just our larger items in general. So like this side, on the right is all headlights and tail lights. And then on the left, we have like bumpers, ladders, sliders, along with those Sherpa roof racks, with some bed mats. Almost every pallet right here in the middle we can break down and restock. We just are so busy over here. So we have our dual XP headlights. Those are hot. If you see back in C2, they go all the way up to the top of the racking. They're all the way back there. They go way up. We have over 100 of those.
That's crazy.
Just some boxes that we use to pick and pack and we need to put away. Over here we have like our ready lift kits, cash, some Zargus cases. We have a few of those. Those are limited. Back here is just our back aisle. Again, excuse the mess. We're trying to organize. Here we have like our Rago panels. On the end caps is where we put a lot of our bigger stuff. So like these are big awnings, and I think these are sliders. We have a few wheels we have in stock. C5, we got like our ARB straps. This is kind of like a miscellaneous aisle we have here. It has tons of brands. It's hard to organize this stuff.
A little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything. Like we got our spotter mirrors, down to S-Pods, down to CarPlay, scan gauges, ARB, Morphlate. We have a lot. This is our Garmin. We're a little low on inventory, but we have a big shipment coming in for those.
Very
Midland
cool.
Radios, please order those.
Midland radios. Those are what keep us on the trail and communicate while we're doing off-road stuff for our videos. We love these things.
They're the best. Yep, we have quad lock as well. Just small little car mounts and things like that. This one is probably some of the hottest stuff in the warehouse right now. We have off-roam phone mounts. I mean, you can see we stack it. We stacked this one full this morning and it's already halfway gone. We have our in-house fog lights, white and amber right here, and a ton more up there if you show that. There's a lot of those. And even on the floor, we ran out of space up top. Again, here's our Molly panel bags. Here's some screen protectors as well. We got those. These are nice. That's for 4th gen and 6th gen. Flat screen TVs, those are. Again, the packing station. And here we got like our thread stuff. We just cycle counted those. That's what all those sticky notes are for. Here's miso. We just got a big shipment of miso. Order that before those disappear.
Miso custom dome lights, they go quick. So
down there we have some bumper shells. On the right we got all of our clothing. So this side is 4Runner clothing. And then if we curl around here, we have all of our Tacoma clothing. So this is a little bit more 4Runner. And this is Tacoma clothes. On the other side is like screen protectors, ram mounts, N2 start kit, cup holders for under your seat, things like that. More Tacoma clothes, we love that. Back in that corner we process our returns. So we have one bin for unprocessed returns and a blue bin for processed good to go.
there's not a lot of stuff in those bins. It looks like we don't get many returns.
Not very many, no.
Customer
But
satisfaction.
when they come in, we get them done. So let's see, we got AJT down this aisle. AJT is super hot. I know we're expecting a really big shipment of those. The aisle next to that is like our Raptor lights, most of our aluminum stuff, all of our shift knobs. That's what we carry over there. This whole aisle is Tough Skins. The whole aisle is Tough Skins. It's a pain sometimes, but it sells quick, it sells fast, so lots of people get it. Other than that, that's the warehouse.
Sweet. Awesome.
Pick and pack everybody's orders, goes straight out the door.
Okay, sweet. I'm gonna show them upstairs. Thanks for showing us around.
Of course, man.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
This is our upstairs area. We've got some awards up here, some displays, and a couple offices. One being that of Colby himself, the 4th gen owner. What's up, Colby?
Just working.
Just working?
We get orders out, yeah.
Trying to respond to all the hate comments about the 4th gen.
Yeah, that's my daily job now.
I think it's my daily job too. We might have to hire more people for that.
Yeah, it's common, but you don't know until you drive it.
This is true. See you, Colby. And over here, this is our meeting room. We have planned countless trips in this room for hours and hours. Planned content here. We planned literally everything in this room as you see it. Then over here, we've got a little putting green. Carson and Connor, the founders of Tacoma and 4Runner Lifestyle, are big golfers. So we had to have a little putting green in here. And we've got some bathrooms over here and a good view of outside and our main waiting area. So that is it for the tour. That wraps up just about everything that we've got going on here at the warehouse. Feel free to stop in anytime at all, check out some products, check out our merch, anything you'd like to see, we'd be happy to walk you through. We've got stuff for every generation of 4Runner from the 1st all the way to the 6th. If you have any other questions, let us know. We'll see you guys on the next video.